Have you ever done this? You finally lie down in bed. You scroll a little. You watch one more video. Then suddenly, it's 3 a.m. 6 hours later, you wake up. Your eyes burn. Your mind feels heavy. And you say the same thing again. I will sleep early tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes. Meanwhile, you see some people saying, I sleep only 5 hours and I feel amazing. And you think, how is that possible? Today, you'll understand. Because it's not magic, it's science. Let's learn how some people sleep less, but still wake up fresh, sharp, and full of energy. We are not destroying sleep, we are making sleep smarter. Here is the first truth: it's not about how long you sleep, it's about how well you sleep. Your brain works in cycles. Each cycle is about 90 minutes. Inside every cycle, your body goes through light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. Deep sleep repairs your body. It heals muscles, boosts immunity, restores energy. REM sleep repairs your brain. It improves focus, memory, and creativity. If your sleep cycles are clean and complete, your body can fully recover even in 5 or 6 hours. But if your sleep is broken by screens, stress, caffeine, or noise, you can sleep 9 hours and still feel tired. So the goal is not more sleep, the goal is better sleep. More deep sleep per hour, more REM sleep per hour. Now let's fix your sleep. Simple system, real results. First, sleep at the same time every night, even on weekends. Your brain loves routine. When you sleep and wake at the same time daily, your body learns when to release sleep hormones. After a few days, falling asleep becomes easier and waking up feels natural. Pick one time. For example, sleep at 11 pm, wake at 5:30 am. Stay consistent. Second, use the 90-minute rule. One sleep cycle is about 90 minutes. If you wake in the middle of a cycle, you feel groggy. If you wake at the end, you feel fresh. So plan your sleep like this: 4.5 hours, 6 hours, 7.5 hours. Always in multiples of 90 minutes. Don't set random alarms. Wake after a full cycle. Third, power down 1 hour before bed. This is very important. Last 60 minutes decide your sleep quality. Follow this. 3 hours before bed, no heavy food. 2 hours before bed, no stressful work. 1 hour before bed, no screens. Use warm lights. Stretch lightly. Write one thing you're grateful for. Listen to calm music. This tells your nervous system it's time to rest. Fourth, get sunlight in the morning. When you wake up, don't touch your phone. Go outside for 10 minutes. Natural light tells your brain it's daytime. This stops sleep hormones and boosts happy energy chemicals. You'll feel awake naturally. Fifth, move your body or use cold water. Wash your face with cold water or do 20 jumping jacks. Anything that raises your heart rate. This clears sleep fog fast. In just a few minutes, your energy rises. Now some advanced tips. No caffeine after 2 pm. Caffeine blocks your sleep chemical. Even if you fall asleep, deep sleep becomes weak. Next, sleep in a dark, cool, quiet room. Best temperature is slightly cold. Darkness helps your brain create deep sleep. Silence or soft white noise is best. Next, before bed, empty your mind. Write your worries and tasks on paper. When thoughts stay in your head, your brain stays active. Writing them down tells your brain you are safe. You can rest. Now listen carefully. Sleep is not weakness. Sleep is a performance tool. Strong people don't brag about sleeping less. Smart people recover better. Success doesn't belong to those who stay up late. Success belongs to those who wake up clear and focused. You cannot pour from an empty mind. Fix your sleep, and you get back your energy, your focus, your life. Sleep less, but sleep smarter. Train your body to rest deeply. Dream clearly. Wake up powerful. One day, you'll wake before your alarm. Eyes open, mind calm, heart steady, and you'll realize you don't need more time. You need better energy.